Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making chicken cream handi. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First pour in a half cup of oil in a utensil. 2 chopped onions. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 3 chopped tomatoes. 1/2 cup water. Blend with a hand blender. You can also blend the mixture in a juicer. Pour in 1/2 cup of oil in another utensil. 1 kilogram of chicken. Cook until it leaves out water. Add in the mixture you just made. One teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon zira, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon haldi. Pour in 1/2 cup of yogurt. 2 packets of cream. One tablespoon of nutty flakes. Dish out the curry. Top it with green chilies, optional.